How to delete or remove announcement groups in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to remove or delete announcement groups or community groups from WhatsApp, you can just walk through the steps to get rid of those groups on your Android phone. So for that, open up your WhatsApp app and find the announcement or the community group you want to remove from your chats list. Once you reach here onto the community group, what you can do is go ahead and tap on the community name at the top right corner and go ahead to community info section. And this is where you can manage all of the settings related to the group. So if you want to leave the group, you can scroll down to the bottom of the group info screen and you'll see an option called exit community, this one right here. And when you do that, you'll no longer be a member of the group. And this will only remove you from the group, not delete it entirely. But if you deactivate the community, if you are the admin of the group, what you can do is look for this option called deactivate community and go ahead and tap on it. Once that is done, you can go ahead and look out for this notice here that says groups will be disconnected, announcement group will be closed. So since we want that, you can look for this option called deactivate and confirm this deactivation. After that, you will be successfully removed or delete an announcement or community group from the WhatsApp Android. So if this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips. And thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.